In this demo, we'll show you how to generate a fully structured wrap application for loyalty management, complete with transport requests, custom entities, and a Fiori preview, using the ABAP MCP server and the AI assistant of your choice. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes through a simple prompt. The first step is to enable the ABAP MCP server for your AI assistant of choice. In this demo, you can see Amazon and Microsoft AI assistants working side by side, both calling the MCP tools provided by the ABAP MCP server. To get started, prompt your assistant in the chat. Create a wrap application for loyalty management in the package with other requirements. The MCP tools are intelligently orchestrated by your partner AI assistant. The orchestrator first understands the intent and identifies the necessary MCP tools, understanding the available generators and object types, creating a transport request, and generating the application. The assistant finds the destinations and retrieves the list. After accepting the destination, it works with the available generators and proceeds to select the OData UI service from scratch generator, since we are building with custom entity. The generator schema is retrieved, and you can see the creation of the three entities: header, tiers, and transaction. These are structured hierarchically. Header as the root, with tiers and transaction as child nodes. It then creates a transport request. Click Allow when prompted. Once the transport request is created, it moves on to generate the wrap application. The app is built with JSON content based on the schema. It examines the schema requirements, populates the business entities and field arrays, checks the reference content structure, and builds a JSON structure defining the header entity fields. It then validates and generates all wrap objects: tables, CDS views, behavior definitions, service definitions, and bindings. The wrap application is now created, and you get a summary of what was generated. Upon publishing, it gives you a live preview of the Fiori application with all the required entities in place. As you can see, with just a single prompt and the ABAP MCP server, your AI assistant can orchestrate an entire process, from transport requests to a fully functional wrap application, in just a few minutes. This is the power of combining AI orchestration with enterprise-grade development tools. Try it with the partner AI assistant of your choice and see how fast you can go from idea to application.